What do you like in Bali? What do you like? And here, one middle.
Is there?
Yeah. Ahmed, from Ahmed is about 20 minutes.
Okay.
30 minutes.
For us?
Actually. From here is about 1 hour. Same like we are dive in, in Mantapui. Yeah.
And will we do 2 dives there or 1 dive there?
2 dive there.
2 dives there?
2 dive there. We have 2 different dive locations.
Okay.
Yeah. 2 different dive locations. But for sure, we are 2 dive in here on the island, and then the other bay. Yeah. But here is really nice coral, really original coral. Why? Because different, not many people diving in there. In Gili Selang, yeah, we take about 1 hour from here to get there to that location. Yeah. Island, the strong current.
Yeah.
We want to dive here first. Yeah. And then next, here, a topography here, slope sand and slope reef. Yes, deep slope. Yeah. And then we want to start from here. Yeah. Here's coral, right? Here's coral here. We're going to start from a shallow spot here. Down bottom is about 6 meters deep from a surface. Yeah, and then the next after that, we follow down to the river, continue swim to the left-hand side reef. Yeah, because the corner there and the corner there, current bring to the right hand. Yeah, to blue water, and then we are swim back here again. Yeah. We go there first, and then we are swim back to the shallow. Yeah. The maximum we dive here is about 25 meters. As long as you are dive, please stay in behind me. Yeah. When I give you sign like this, it means we are swim back to same area. Yeah. And a slow and relaxed dive, but here is really nice coral reef around this. Right. Yeah. Alright, and the second dive, we dive in the island, yeah?
Yeah.
But we start close on the rock there, alright? After that, we swim to that way, yeah? Rip on the right hand, you go to the left hand. On the corner, we are swim back here, yeah? Because when we swim fast to the corner, is nothing to do, yeah? Anything, no anything, yeah? But here is really nice coral, right? And then topography is slope reef, yeah?